Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Ruby Giselle. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys aren't already subscribed, make sure you guys please subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you guys are notified every single time that I upload a new video. This is how I've been doing my makeup lately. Kind of different from how I usually do it, so yeah, I wanted to update you guys on how I do my makeup. Anyways, yeah, I filmed a video showing you guys how I've been doing my makeup lately. Yeah, I did not include how I do my hair in this video, but if you guys want to see that, let me know. I'll go ahead and do a hair tutorial for you guys. I've been obsessed with this look lately, I don't know. But anyways, yeah, if you guys want to see how I did this look, then please keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just kidding. I was just trying to be funny. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get started with this video for today's foundation. I actually already did my eyebrows off camera, and I also moisturized and primed my face. If you guys are curious, everything's always linked down below, so you guys can go check that out if you guys are interested. Okay guys, so the first thing we're gonna do is apply some foundation. This is the Sheer Glow foundation by NARS. This is the shade Punjab. I've been using this foundation a lot lately just because I love the finish of it, and it's not too full coverage. I mean, it is full coverage if you build it up, but I always usually use like one layer or so. So yeah, I'm going ahead and apply the foundation. God, for what? Anyways, I'm sorry, my mom was calling me. But anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead and blend my foundation out with, I believe this is an Alpha Beauty blender. You wanna just press that into your skin. Okay guys, so after I apply my foundation, I like to go in with concealer. I usually have been going in with the Revolution one by the Makeup Revolution one. It's called the Conceal and Define Concealer, but I actually ran out, sadly, so I'm going in with another one of my favorites that I've been using a lot recently too. I would always go in between these two, the one by Elf and the one by Makeup Revolution, just because they're both really good and full coverage. But since I'm out of that one, I'm going to be using this Elf 16-Hour Camel Concealer. This is in the shade Medium Beige, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that under my eyes. And I usually just do one half first just because it is matte and it dries just really fast. I'm just going to blend that out. Sometimes I'll go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This is in the shade 5, and I'll just put a little bit just to lighten it up a little bit, because the concealer, the Elf one, is a little bit dark, so kind of just mix the two. And I also like to bring in the concealer a little bit in to my nose, just so that later on it's a little bit easier to conceal my nose, or not conceal my nose, contour my nose. Oh my gosh, my hair's in the way. You can see the difference between this side and this side. So there you go, that's the difference between the left side and the right side with the concealer. Obviously this side has concealer, but yeah, anyways, I'm gonna do the other eye. Next, sometimes the concealer will go like on my eyelid a little bit, so I'll kind of just take a little brush and blend that right there, and on the other side like that. And you kind of see how it just lifts up your eyes, the concealer. It really does do a difference. You guys can see it just made my eyes, it made me look awake basically. So before you go in with powder, you want to make sure that your concealer is well blended, because like I've said before, if you set your concealer when you have creases, that's how it'll set your face. It'll set your face with creases, and then you won't be able to fix that. So make sure you guys blend your concealer before you guys put any powders. Now I'm going to set my face with the Maybelline Fit Me powder in 05. I believe this is the lightest shade. So yeah. So I'm going to take a little small sponge like this, just so it's easier to get under the eye. Okay guys, so now I'm going to grab my Beauty Blender, kind of just bake right here. I mean not bake, but set my face right here. And on my forehead, because my forehead gets a little bit oily throughout the day. So I'm not going to put that much because I'm not even going anywhere. I'm just filming this video for you guys. So lately what I've been doing to really get like a nice contour, like, or bronze or whatever, I've been getting my beauty sponge, dipping it into my setting powder, and I kind of just create like where I want my cheekbone to, like, how do you say it? You know what I'm saying? Like, do that on both sides. So that's what I've been doing to really like define my cheekbones like easier, you know. So what I'm gonna do now is obviously bronze my face. Okay guys, so after you reverse contour, that's what I call it, like reverse contour or whatever, I'm taking my Kylie bronzer in the shade Almond. I'm just going to bronze above where I cut my cheekbone. And on this side. A little bit more because I'm extra like that. And it's okay if you go out of the line because you can always just like fix this. Now for blush, like always, I'm going to be going in with the Luminosa by Milani. And I'm going to take that on a brush like this. This is a, I have no idea. So I kind of apply blush everywhere just because I really love blush, especially with this one. So yeah, I'm going to kind of just go like ham with this. Okay guys, so I went ahead and contoured my nose off the camera just because it's hard to like do it and talk at the same time. But if you guys want a tutorial on how I contour my nose, then let me know and I'll do like a specific video on how to contour your nose. You guys can let me know on Instagram, Snapchat, everything. It's always linked down below, you guys, my social media. So yeah, because I know you guys can't comment on my videos right now, I'm not sure why. So if you guys want to see a contour, how I contour my nose video, then let me know. Okay, so now I'm applying some blush on my nose. Just to kind of give it like that button, I don't know, appearance, I guess. Okay, that's done. Now I'm going to be setting my face with this rose water. Yeah, I'm going to set my face with this rose water. That. Okay guys, so now that I'm done with the face, I'm gonna move on to my eyes. I'll be taking the Kylie bronzer that I used earlier and taking that on a blending brush, really. So I'm going to do something a little bit different today. Okay guys, so recently I've been obsessed with putting eyeliner on. I recently discovered that I could actually do eyeliner with gel better than with the liquid. I don't know. I have never been able to do my eyeliner like ever for the past like, I don't know, 3 years that I've been doing my makeup. And I finally found something that I was able to work with, and that is gel eyeliner. I don't know, I have more control with it. So I'm going to be going in with eyeliner today, you guys. This is 03 Brown Foil by Milani, and it comes with a little brush like this. It comes with a little angled brush like this. Okay guys, so now I'm going to be going in with my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara, and I'm just going to apply a light layer to my eyelashes. And I really like this mascara just because it has like a really thin brush that gets like every single hair, and it's easier to like work with, and I feel like it makes your eyelashes like really long, as you guys can tell. Okay guys, so I'm going to take just a random palette that has a black shade in it, and I'm going to dip in the black shade, and I only need to dip it in one time. So I'm just going to type in my waterline, my lower waterline back here. So I'm going to take the LA Girl chocolate lip liner, and I'm going to outline my lips. So okay, so once I outline my lips, I have like a weird technique on how to like, I don't really know how to explain it. So basically I just take a Q-tip and I kind of just like blend it while taking it off at the same time. Like that. I don't know, that's my weird technique of how I apply my lipstick or my lip liner, whatever. And yeah guys, that was a finished makeup look. This is how I've been doing my makeup lately, and I also have my new favorite hairstyle at the moment. It's this like high pony. Yeah, if you guys want to know how I do my hair, then let me know as well. But yeah, this is a finished makeup look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I haven't been posting a lot, but I'm gonna try to make a lot of videos for you guys, since I'm not doing anything anyways because of this whole quarantine thing. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys don't follow me on my social media, everything's always linked down below, so you guys can let me know if you guys want to see the contour video I told you guys about. Since I know you guys can't comment, I can't see whether you guys want me to do those videos for you guys or not. I don't know. Anyways, yeah, you guys, don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you guys are notified every single time that I post a new video. Anyways, yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.